This manager calls himself the 1-minute manager because he claims it takes him very little time to get things done by people. He shares his managerial success secrets with the young man, and these are as follows. Secret 1. 1-minute goals. 1-minute goals are called so because it takes only 1 minute to read and understand the goal. 1-minute goals provide clarity on what is expected and what progress needs to be made. Both the employee as well as the manager know what is required right from the start. A written down goal is better to assess performance. Secret 2. 1-minute praisings. Every time the manager finds someone doing something right, he or she immediately gives praise. It just takes a minute or less to tell someone they have done a good job. After telling the team member they have done a good job, the manager also explains what they did well and encourages them to continue doing well. Catching someone doing something well is a big motivator for staff. This improves performance. Secret 3. 1-minute reprimands. There are two components to this reprimand and both are necessary. In the first component, the manager tells the employee what was done wrong and the adverse impact this has had on the manager and the organization. This is followed by a short silence during which the employee has time to reflect on this. Then, the second component is telling the employee that he is capable of doing much better and how much the manager values him. As with all feedback that is correctly given, 1-minute reprimands are immediate and relevant and critique the task or the work, not the person. Again, this helps in improving performance. Secret 4. Principle of performance management. The principle of performance management says reward the people who are performing well. This will set an example and will motivate the performer and other employees. Reprimand the people who are not performing. If we don't reprimand people who are not performing, they again become an example for other employees, and in turn, there will be more non-performers in the team. The reprimand will surely help in improving the performance of a non-performer and other employees. See you in the next lesson. Subscribe to the channel if you want to get free training lessons that can help you in improving your skills. Remember, it takes only 1 minute to subscribe.